How to connect Instagram to Facebook page. Firstly, open Instagram on your device and go to Settings and Activity. Here scroll down and under For Professionals, click on Creator Tools. If you have a creator page, then switch to a business account. Once you have switched to business account, go to your profile section. On your profile section, click on Professional Dashboard. Inside Professional Dashboard, there are different options like these. At the top right corner, click on the setting gear icon. Here scroll down. You will see the option Connect a Facebook page. Click on Connect a Facebook page and select Continue. At the bottom, select Login to Facebook. If you already have a Facebook page logged in on your Facebook, it will show an option. If you want to switch Facebook account, click on Switch Facebook account or else select Continue. Select your page and click on Connect. After doing this much, your Facebook page will be connected to your Instagram account. That's all for today. Thank you.